Yeah, that's what, yeah. Okay, we can do it.
Entering the field at this time are the 1992 Summerall Guards. The commander is Andrew James Reynolds from Pinewood, South Carolina. The first sergeant is Matthew Dale Martin from Wilmington, North Carolina. The supply sergeant is Daniel Logan from Portland, Oregon. The front guide is Robert Sanders Ring from Gallatin, Tennessee. And the rear guide is Kelly Patterson from Fairfax, Virginia. First, the 1993 Bond Volunteers salute the 1992 Summerall Guards, recognizing their period of leadership at the Citadel.
1993 Bond Volunteers! Freeze and push! 1992 Summerall Guards! Freeze and out! 1992, Summerall Guards, Counter, out. 1993, Bond Volunteers, Counter, out.
Now, a rifle exchange symbolizing the change of command.
1992, Summerall Guards, out, out. 1993, Bond Volunteers, take out.
Also at this time, the 1992 Summerall Guard commander passes the Anthony D. Griffin sword, traditionally carried by the Guard commander, to the 1993 commander.
1993, Summerall Guards, Counter, out.
Finally, a salute from the old Guard, recognizing the 1993 Bond Volunteers as the new Summerall Guards.
1992, Summerall Guards, freeze and out. 1993, Summerall Guards, freeze and out. 1993, Summerall Guards, Counter, out. 1992, Summerall Guards, Counter, out.
A couple of guards over here.
1992, Summerall Guards, pass, hey. Power! March! And
They're touching.
The thing in the breastplate.
Yeah.
Clearing.
Just, yeah.